Hey guys, welcome to my stability ball core training. First, you'll start with 1 minute of hamstring bridges. Make sure the feet are planted firmly on the ball. They can also be in a flex position. The feet should be hip width apart, and every time you push up, you should try to push up the hips as high as possible whilst keeping the abdominals engaged. Think about sucking the belly button to your spine. Now take 30 seconds to open and close the legs. Whilst doing this movement, keep the hips pushed up as high as possible. And relax. Now you have 10 seconds to take this position. Make sure that the fitball is placed under your hips, and so that when you lift up off the ball, your abdominals can lift off the ball, so you can get a good workout and a good back extension. This exercise is a little bit hard regarding the stability. You should have your feet planted on a wall behind you. And rest. Now you have 10 seconds to take this position. As you can see, my feet are hip width apart and my knees are not pushing forward over my toes. My knees are at a 90-degree angle. Engage the abdominals, lifting up to take 1 minute of crunches. Remember to keep your elbows out and not to press them forward in front of your face. And relax. Now you have 10 seconds to take this position. The ball should be in between the lower legs. The arms should start above your head. In this position, you have to be very careful to keep your back planted on the floor at all times. If you feel that your back is coming up off the floor, then don't take your legs so low. and relax. Now you have 10 seconds to prepare to take the plank position. Remember that the closer your hands are together, the more difficult the exercise will be. Press down into the plank position so you're in a complete straight line. Be careful about your posture. Your hand should be directly below your shoulders and your shoulders should be pressed down. Keep the abdominals engaged throughout the exercise. Now you have 10 seconds to take this position. Place the ball behind you against a wall. And when it's time to start, slowly roll down into the squat position. Now you have 1 minute of wall squat. My feet are hip width apart. My abdominals engaged, my shoulders are pressed down. And as you can see, my back is in a straight line as if it was pressed up against a wall. And relax. Now you have 30 seconds to rest. Then we're going to repeat the circuit again. You have 10 seconds remaining. Take the position for the hamstring bridge. 1 minute of hamstring bridges. "30 seconds to open and close the legs whilst keeping the hips pushed up as high as possible. And relax. Stretch out the legs if you need to. Now you have 10 seconds to take this position. 1 minute of back extensions. And relax. Put the ball underneath your hips and take a stretch over the ball. Now you have 10 seconds to take this position. This time, I want you to put your feet on demi point. It will be a little bit more difficult because there will be less stability. And relax. Take 10 seconds to take this position. One minute ball pass. And relax. Now you have 10 seconds to prepare for the plank again. Let's go. 1 minute in the plank position. And relax, guys. Take 10 seconds to take this position against the wall. Now you have 1 minute of wall squat. Here I'm demonstrating incorrect posture. I'm tilting my pelvis back and curling it around the bottom of the ball. This is really bad, so make sure that you keep good posture, keeping the back nice and long and the pelvis should be slightly tucked. Keeping the feet hip width apart and the knees are not pushing over your feet. And relaxed. You finished your circuit.